Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMLA barem karanikor ubak Martin Danggo. Habakren hakasngi barong siya ka NPP, ulaong baki Paidbah ka langren kim sngongu syu yanga. Wadlang alawan ra civil subdivision. Hadin katu ngamdan syu ka jengkwa banyale election. Ngalaray ban syarab ikitu kibayeng, Henry Kinong ay kitien jong menteri rangba, kilawan banya kendu yanga, hamunay bau kwa banya kendu. Syusyu ulaong ban nakaliang ka jong ulalom ya Kinong yalam, bat nakaliang Kinong yalam naranikor, kilapan pao bangaday banyale biang yakane ke election. Bat hadin ka jeng kendu bat ki Paidbah, kilasyem ya karay banyale biang yakane ke election ka banwan, bat banyale na ke NPP. Ulaong ru, baha balaray maki ban Leit sa Dujok ru, ngan Leit ben. Day hadian balaray na ki Paidbah, ngilawan ban penyaso no bat ke NPP. Bat ngan tre sitam habaya day bat kane, kenang ban yo iuso ka jengjam.
Hadin nga larem no, hadin bangi. Layo civil subdivision lang ba, jong ka jingyarap jong ay Chief Minister Badon Buram jongi. Kibru jong lagre constituency, claims ngusu yang wadla katanga lak kniya yala jong banwandra civil subdivision daka resignation pero hadin ngala ale biang na ke NPP bere ki kan tight no yang tena kada ngala sarem hare ka by election ba araja katan kapra de hadin kato nga perkat to haba ki Paidbah nong Kristan jungi lakan tight yang abade mentoy isu bani ya lebiang tengam don mensibshu bani ya lebiang ban join in active politics to be in the active politics. I have no more intention at all. So let me help anybody whomever I feel like-minded parties or yeah. But thereafter suddenly two messengers of Honorable Chief Minister reached my residence at Munai near Ranikor. Honorable MLA Jibur Mertong, Honorable ex-MLA Nihim Dishira came to my residence and conveyed the message of Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister would like to meet you if you are free. He has sent us to convey this message. I was shocked. Although I have resigned already from the NPP with no intention anymore to contest any further elections, but still then the brotherly feeling that I received from the Honorable Chief Minister through his messengers, I was really moved. Thereafter, I came to Shillong, I met him, then I have conveyed the message, sir, yes, I don't have any grudge against you, against your party. In fact, I should be always grateful to you for the gift of civil subdivision, which was a distant dream for us to get civil subdivision in the remote corner of Ranikor. So I cannot forget you. I cannot forget your good work for the Ranikor constituency. However, sir, I have to consult my people, my leaders, whether they are willing me to send back. They are really willing me to contest again or not. Let me know their minds. So in the month of October 2019, my leaders at Ranikor, on the 23rd of October, they have gathered a huge meeting, but there they have unanimously decided Danggo should contest again, but which party we will leave up to him. Which party he wants to contest, let him decide. That was the decision. Thereafter, the grassroots levels, why only that 120 people will decide the fate of Danggo? Why we are not voters? So we should be given the opportunity to say, have a say in this decision. So thereafter, we have to send the letters, the message to each and every polling station that whether you want Danggo to contest again or not. If he contests again, from which party, that you have to decide. That was the. So it took a long 2 years so to come to the conclusion. After thorough consultation, hadin lade consult bnia napne ki grassroots level, but kamtam ek ni ki leader badon hakamat mata. Ta santai la polisa ka conclusion. Ni pabet yang Danggo banle biar sasisen job le remdo tang bangin pano naka parti NPP hi kena kadau habalarai maki ngaong katba mon larang pipa sa Dujok dengan Leit habang ngapi majority lamon larai badingan lekum nasu ngari mon menjur bet lada pasa Dujok hadu kata ngala jibam de matagasngi kartum karai jongki de ngi lapun ulung no matagasngi ni wandrung no hakmat jongki saka NPP with the full hope that NPP can give better service to our state and to the nation as a whole. Has already our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister already stated the good response that we are having in other states also, that is already conveyed to us by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister just now.